Okay, seems like I am live now. Man, this keeps on breaking a lot. Anyway, uh, internet isn't kind to me today. We'll see what happens. So, market is opening gap up. Let's see what happens. We have about 15 seconds before it opens. 10 more seconds before the market opens. And the market is open. So yeah, let's see what happens. It's going to be an interesting session regardless. And after I'm done with the session, I'm gonna be working on the limit thing. Because yeah, even after market open, I can't seem to work the APIs. I may have to contact support for Dhan to see what is happening. Uh, but either way, at least the access token APIs are working as expected. Okay, so by no means we are at all-time highs. I don't know if that is all-time high, but there are places it can go. Either way, it's Thursday. We are on Thursday and Friday. These are 2 days where, I can make some money. Let's see if we can make some money. I mean, if we can make something like 65, 70, it would be great. I mean, at least it would form some sort of pattern because for the last few weeks, it really hasn't been sticking with the pattern. I mean, last Friday I wasn't even able to trade, and we all know what happened on Tuesday. Really sucks. And one session really eats away your week's worth of work, not because you had bad risk management, because you could not take a loss. I mean, risk management also goes only so far if you don't stop trading. Okay, so we are trying to close the gap from what it seems. We don't really have that much big of a gap if you really take a look at it. So we have Aptus. I suppose maybe there is uh, still time because as of now there isn't much volume here, but we'll see. So pull back in the uptrend. BLS. That is even worse. Even though it's better than the other one, I mean, that is something else. It might go down without volume as well. I'm not really sure. M and M. Were we ever able to find out what M and M is? Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. I just need to get one small look. Just need to confirm this. What the hell? Oh shit. think ID is 113281. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. And this is problematic. I need to add a way to add the ID. Or I might have to do this manually, I suppose. Gbill. Come on, dude. Okay. Acme Solar. Okay, this seems good enough shorting opportunity. Nazara. What happened to Aptus? Aptus is there. BLS is gone. Well, there is always that. M&M. I don't know how I feel about M&M. Well, for one, I can't really work it from my app. And if I can't work it from my app, we are in for a problem. Okay, we have about 6 minutes left between when we have to decide. So we have Aptus 2.46 gives me 12. Okay, then we have Nazara. Man, these are all on low volumes today. Nazara is 1.30, gives me 24. This guy, I don't much care about him. Let's just close it. Then we have Godavari. ATR is 2.91, 2.91 gives me 10 units. Then we have Acme Solar. Acme Solar 1.52 gives me 20 of these. I think Acme Solar is right now my favorite, even though it's not on top, because there's volume in Acme Solar. I mean, I almost want to short it right now. I really want to short it right now. Yes, I'm a mess with a mess so much else got stuck. Stress written on my head. I should hang like this when the sun comes, be like myself like this. 2.28. It is quite some way from the VWAP, and I like it very much. Apparently JPL is more popular. It is popular, I'll give you that. Frankly, the way it is shut down. Okay, sorry, Aptus. Then there is this guy. This guy can also go away. Okay, I'm really torn with this one. Frankly, I wanted to see the pullback, but let's see the strength of the pullback as well. Mm, mm. There is heavy resistance on 301, which just disappeared. Okay, fuck it, I went in. It's 300.95, 300.95. Okay, what the hell happened? I think I broke the app. 300.25, 300.25. Then we have 299.55. Then we have 298.85. Then we have 298.15. Oh man, I can't believe it. I broke the app. I will have to revisit what exactly went wrong there. But 305.55, 305.55. For now, let's keep it around this level. It is gonna be a while before that position grows. But let's see. That was disappointing. Well, maybe we waited too much and the move was over. And I had high hopes for the other one. This one, I wasn't all that interested in. Frankly, there is still a chance. Mhm. Man, that is quite the move it's making. I mean, that was the move on low volume, but I think maybe, just maybe, this might be liquidity sweep, in which case it is on. Oh man. But if it is not, then you are gone. One thing I really will have to see is what on earth happened to my perfect app. I mean, it used to work so well without any issue, but yesterday I tried to add two things. Naturally, I couldn't test because it was outside of that time frame, the trading time frame, and it broke it. Things really broke here. So I'm gonna have to test things out a bit. What actually happened? Is it is it the token? Could be the token. I'm not getting any data whatsoever. But the token was working for those. All my apps are not responding as I expected them to be all across. We do have soft support at 301, but it is nothing compared to what it was before, so it should be able to carry forward downwards, whatever that means. Mm, Acme Solar really showed me how wrong I was. Okay, for this guy, the first entry is 300.25. So I'm just gonna move this a little bit till it is 300.25. And then we have 299.55. Then we have 298.85 and 298.15. Okay, these things are set. Now, if only price can be kind enough to come downstairs, and yeah, it ain't gonna happen. Doesn't look like it. Frankly, volume is still on my side. It can still come down. I have sufficient breathing space left for it to come down. Thankfully, the position is sized correctly. But this, oh man, this 300 level is quite the resistance in the movement. I should say quite the support in the movement. Okay, we might have some breathing space, but not enough. That is going too close for comfort. Come now. That section is already explored. Come back downstairs, dude. Mm, See, the problem with VWAP is once it goes near that, then this momentum would be very hard to stop, mostly because of how many stops are in that area. Stops will provide aggressive buying momentum. Come now, come downstairs, dude. It's not coming downstairs, it's going upstairs. Should I move it to where it was supposed to be, 305.55? Come on, dude. Time to get downstairs. $303.75. It's grinding upwards. Doesn't that guy Riley Coleman basically says you have unhealthy move as one of the checklist point of reversals? Well, guess what? You have this big unhealthy move and it is on low volume. Okay. Come on, my crazy sellers. Let's make it happen. Okay, okay, okay. We are grinding downwards slowly, very slowly, but yeah, we are moving. If it gives away that entire move, great. That will really show those buyers what's what. Oh man, we have resistance, sorry, we have support at 301. So we might see bounces there, or it might just break through. I mean, earlier it was 35K and it just went through it and a couple of bounces. Right now it's half the value, nearly half the value. And we have came very close to it. I'm just gonna move my stop now. I mean, if it gives back up this entire move and hits my stop, then it's over anyway. Hmm. Come on. Come on, babe. Good. What are the updates and market positions? GPL still is the top shorter. Acme Solar has given away just about all of the move. And Nifty right now is within the range. Maybe it will try to close the gap. Hopefully it tries to do that. And we get some help from that. Oh man. You know, if after that kind of move, then we have a really good chance for it to give me one of the big moves that I have been looking forward to. And there is a chance Nifty is moving down, so there is a possibility. However slim it looks. If not, then the stop loss will take care of it. I'm just gonna close Acme Solar. It's pointless to keep that near me. The short sentiment is still there. You should see a move downwards. But frankly, this is running so low on that relative volume. I have no idea what it's gonna do next. Really, Nifty is still moving down. Come on, dude. Oh man, you know what? This just might be it. Doesn't look like it's gonna come down. It's making relatively higher highs and definitely higher lows. I'm not saying that it's gonna give the entire move up like Acme Solar did, but I think it's gonna be curling around VWAP if it goes up on this candle, although there are still 4 minutes 30 seconds left in this candle, but we have not yet seen the movement we want to see. There is a resistance on 302.20, although relatively it's very weak resistance. The 301 support might still be there. I can't really see it right now because price is away from that level. Okay. Price is coming down. Okay, so we are seeing the push. It is coming to 301 level. The support is relatively weak as compared to the other two instances. So it should be able to cross 301. Price is coming close to my entry. And if it works out, it would be worth the wait. I have been waiting for more than 20 minutes now. It would be such a shame if you wait that long just to see a loss. Do not want to add such a long wait time to a loss category. But there are still very clear bounces on 301 level, off 301 level. In fact, it's never really getting that close. It's getting close, but it's not even touching, not even once. It's getting bounced by other levels above it. And below that crazy support is my entry. I can see, okay, that is nearly the closest price has moved. Okay, okay, nice. At least we are back in the play. Time to wake up. Okay, okay, okay. There is support on 40 level. They are relatively smaller supports. Okay, here we go. 15 is 300.75. Just gonna take the stop, put it around, I don't know, this level. If it comes close, we'll see. 300.25, right? Mhm. There is clear resistance of this level, 300.25. Oh my god. Another entry becomes support. Please don't double bottom. Oh boy. What the hell happened? Fuck. I can't believe this. Oh boy. This really is unbelievable. Fine. We have acceptable loss, and we really need to figure out what the hell is going on with the app. Both apps are not working. Oh, oh man, with Wix worth that big. Oh my god. For a second, it looked like I was trading Bitcoin or something. And I really should have kept it around this point, because if it gave away this kind of movement, then feels like it is definitely gonna break this level. Anyway, I don't know what this will do, but this is all. I'm frankly mentally exhausted. I'm just gonna end the session here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll have better luck. Bye.